sir. In this video I'm going to explain you that how you can see your profit in pips. You can see over here that I have placed 3 trades. Okay, one is on gold, second is on Euro USD, and third is on USD CAD. And you can see that here in profit you can see the digits in dollars. Okay, here in gold there is $33 loss, in Euro USD there is $8 loss, in USD CAD there is $31 loss. So this profit or loss is in dollars. Now what if you want to see this profit and loss in pips? Okay, and for this FlashTrade1 has one indicator where you can check the profit and loss in pips. Okay, here I have already added the indicator. You can see that it is an indicator. Okay, here I have already added indicator. Okay, and to get this indicator, you just ask us how you can get this indicator and see. I have added the indicator from here. I have kept auto trading on over here. Mind well to keep auto trading on while using indicators, custom indicators, or plugins or expert advisors like that. Now see, this is total pips loss. Means here in total you can see the loss in dollars. Okay, but here you can see the loss in pips. In a similar way, check here Euro USD there is $9 9 pips loss is going on. In gold there is 33 pips loss is going on. USD CAD there is 67 pips loss is going on. Let me add one more order. Okay, let me bring it over here, and you check that I'm placing an order on AUD USD and I'm putting a buy trade, and here I placed. Here the order has been added. Similarly here AUD USD order has been added. Same way you keep adding your orders, you will able to see the profit and loss in pips. See here now 6 pips profit. Euro USD went in 6 pips profit. Overall there is in 119 pips loss. Now we also have an indicator where you will be exited from all the trades based on the pips. Means that if you want a profit in 100 pips, so when overall pips over here will be 100, then you will be exited from all these trades. Similarly, if you want that I want to close all my trades when my pips loss is 50, okay, then when here total pips loss will be 50, then you will be exited from this trade. This is the indicator how it works. You can apply in your trading, and it would be great achievement for us. Okay, ask us that how you can get these indicators. For any query we will chat or we will call. Okay, we'll discuss on the call. Goodbye, take care.